This video is one of the rare videos you see on the internet. So I'll be showing you how to create the English round cap tool on your shoe. Alright, so let's do this together. Please like this video. If you are new, subscribe to my channel, copy the link and share. Alright, so by tracing your pattern, trace your pattern all together with the vamp and the cap, alright, the apron. But once you trace the vamp, do not remove the apron immediately. Just detach only the vamp, leave the apron, then you carve out the apron pattern on the vamp, because that is where you will be adding your rope to give you the round toe shape. All right, so watch carefully. So I'm still tracing my apron. You can see the tracing of the apron. This is the rope we'll be using. This is the shoelace. All right, it's a thick shoelace. So just apply gum around the region you want to put the shoelace. Watch, then apply gum on the rope, the shoelace, allow for drying, then place. Watch carefully. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to mark out where my rope will be starting, the starting point and the ending point. Okay, watch. So you add the rope. So watch how I add it. This is it. Carefully add the rope. Then you can just apply a little pressure to hold everything together. Then you now cut on your vamp tracing now. Carefully, you can see, and you cut carefully using your sharp scissors. Please subscribe, like this video so that YouTube can share it to other people. Right, now you can see where, I hope you see where my rope starts from and ends. It does not go all through the apron. It's just like a V shape. You understand, a V shape kind of roping. Okay, so I want to remove the sewing allowance. Yes, the sewing allowance for this lace now, because you have to sew it, you have to stitch so that to bring out the shape on the main surface of the top. Okay, so this is a covering, so you have to cut a covering that will now have you sew it. There's like a sewing padding, a padding for this apron now. Okay, so you trace on the lighter material. This material is very light, so that it will not be showing once you now bring it out on the other surface. Okay, so watch carefully. It's something that is rare to see on the internet, but I'm showing you. Also like this video. If you want to appreciate, you can send in gift cards, you can buy our membership. It's just 600 naira. You can buy our membership. Just check around this video and you see a join button. Just click on join, then follow the procedures to join. All right, my membership. There are benefits when you join my membership. All right, so just place the allowance, then you now bring out, use your fingers to now bring out the shape on the main surface. You see, press the rope so that it will give you the shape on the main surface. You can see this. So we're going for stitching. We'll be using the sewing machine to stitch around the region of the shape. That's to bring out the shape. Now watch carefully. I have to lubricate. Then you can see this. You stitch it to now bring out the shape. I'm sure you've learned this for free. So give me a like. Tell me if this video is of help to you in your YouTube tutorial lessons. All right, This is how it's been done. It's called the English round toe cap. You know, yeah. So watch. I'm still stitching. That is how it's been done. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, tell me yes, I've learned something. Just comment yes in the comment section, right? And if you don't know how to make a full top or creating the pattern, there's a video that will appear at the end of this particular video. Just click on it. You're going to learn how to create the full top, right? So you can see after you are done, just trim the excesses of this padding material out, and your top is set for further procedures. This is ABC Shoes, where I teach you guys everything you need to know about shoemaking. It's amazing, right? Please like, subscribe, and on your notification so you get notified whenever an educative video comes out like this, right? God bless you. Don't forget to be a good person. Show love in the society. Let love be your religion. Bye.